coughing, an unwelcome guest that knocks on our doors more often than we'd like. But fear not, because nature has got your back. First in line, honey, nature's sweet elixir. A spoonful before bed can soothe that irritating throat. Next up, we have the humble ginger. Steep a few slices in hot water and voila, you've got a warm, soothing beverage that can ease your cough. Lastly, we have the classic chicken soup. It's not just your grandmother's remedy, science backs it too. Remember, while these remedies can help, they are not a substitute for professional medical advice. So if that persistent cough doesn't let up, make sure to consult your healthcare provider. Stay healthy, stay natural. See you in the next one.